Hi, I'm James with British Customs. Today I'm going to show you how to install a Predator Pro slip-on exhaust on this 2024 T120 Bonneville. The first thing we want to do, we're going to install the rubber bushing in here. So you need to remove that from the spacer. Just roll that on in. Make sure it's seated properly on both sides. Now we can put the spacer back in. The spacer goes towards the inside of the bike. And we want to install our clamp on here. The clamp goes with the bolt facing downward to the inside of the bike. And when we go together, you want to make sure that we end up flush to the end of the pipe there before we tighten this up. That way you get proper clamp load on the pipe. Now, we want to install our gasket on the end of the pipe here. And then, using our 5mm Allen, you want to loosen this bolt. You don't have to take it all the way out, you just want to loosen it up so that this can pull away a little bit, which will make it easier to slide the clamp into that. So now we can start sliding that in. Make sure this is going in between the frame and the swing arm here. Make sure your clamp is getting underneath the heat shield. And we can slide it. Next, we're going to get our foot peg. We want to make sure that this little pin here is aligning with that hole. If you don't, then that pin is going to end up breaking. So make sure they're aligned before you tighten that down. I'm going to slide this spacer in. Put our bolt through there to hold it up. Bring the exhaust in. And push the peg through. Get our nut, put it on the other side. Again, make sure that pin is aligned. And just like when we took this apart, we're going to put pressure down on it to keep that bolt from spinning. So we tighten it up with our 12mm wrench. Now we can go ahead and tighten up this clamp. Make sure it's flush to the end there. A 10mm socket. And then before you tighten the clamp down, you want to make sure that you're not making contact with the shock bolt over here. If you are, you just need to turn the exhaust a little bit out as you're tightening it. And once it's tight, it'll keep it out there. Now we'll move to the other side. Oh, before we do that, you want to tighten down your heat shield here. Again, using our 5mm Allen. Okay, so this pipe installs exactly the same as the other side, but the one exception is if you have a center stand, then you need to install this bumper. Just kind of twist in there. Keep going until it's all the way through and stays on. It can be a little challenging sometimes, but it'll get in there eventually. Then once that's on, if you have the center stand, it comes up and bumps against that. If you don't have a center stand, you don't need to install that. Put our gasket on. Loosen that clamp there. Put our clamp on with the bolt to the inside. facing down. Okay. A spacer and a foot peg. Line the pin with the hole. Line the exhaust. Put that in. Put a nut on the other side. Apply pressure. Using our 12mm wrench, and tighten it up. Just keep an eye on that pin and make sure it's going properly into the hole, or it will break, and then there'll be nothing to keep this from spinning. So 10mm socket. Make sure this is flush. Make sure we're not making contact with the shock bolt or anything over here. If you are, just pull it out a little bit as you tighten it. And use our 5mm Allen, tighten the heat shield back up. And that's how you install the Predator Pro slip-ons.